guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we got some very exciting news for you guys. We got a special guest coming by to our shop, our Goon Squad garage, and we got a new potential build coming, something very exciting, something that we've always wanted to do, and we want to show you guys and see what you guys think.
Oh boy, what do we got here? Two beasts. That is crazy, man.
So much better in person.
Yeah, I know, it looks way better in person, man. You guys got them brand new tires for the tail of the Dragon.
Oh my goodness.
Look at that carbon fiber wing.
Powder coated frame.
Yeah, definitely something that we gotta probably build.
So I am in the DF Goblin kit car. Man, this thing is an absolute beast from looks of it. We're about to test drive it, but just sitting in it, man, it feels so good. Look at this, man. It just looks so aggressive in here, and this is a fully street legal kit car made out of a Cobalt SS supercharged car, man.
This thing is
crazy.
It's an absolute beast. As you can see right here in person, it just looks like a insane looking F1 car, basically.
Yeah, you gotta see it in person. I don't know, I've seen it on videos, but seeing it in person is a whole nother story. Then getting the feel for it and actually getting in here, man, dude, it feels so good. Look at all these, the tack, you got the gear shifter here, and the tube chassis, man, that color, look at that color on it though. It is
This
an
is
absolute
all ran
beast.
by Chevy Cobalt right here. It's a Cobalt SS. It's a supercharged, so it's a 2008 and up Cobalt engine.
Yeah, I mean, look at this. Look at all the engineering behind it. It's pretty dang cool. And this is a kit that you buy and you put it together. So we're about to test drive it, and we're actually thinking about doing this, guys. So let us know what you think. Should we build this sucker and then just tune that engine up? So this kit car has around 250 horsepower and it only weighs 1,500 pounds.
So that is insane.
Dude, that's gonna be insane. So we're about to actually take for the streets, give it a test run, and just see what it's about.
As you can see, these mirrors, they're like off a motorcycle, looks like a GSXR. And it does have a cover over the engine, fiberglass. It looks really good with this carbon fiber wing in the rear.
I guess it's just a graphics kit here.
Yeah, graphics kit. And it is supercharged.
Oh yes.
2.0 liter. I guess this is a fuel cell, custom fuel cell. This should all come with your kit when you're ordering one. And just the rear end, I just want to get that rear end shot. Absolutely aggressive.
And you can also just go ahead and tune them up to 500 horsepower only on the supercharged engine. So
yeah, if you want to go that much, you can build this motor, do a tune, small pulley. It just, the sky's the limit when you have your own kit car and it weighs only around 1,500 pounds. Just imagine how insanely fast and nimble it is on the road. It's probably really nice.
Yeah, so let's go ahead and I guess crank it up and go for a run. I mean, do we gotta wear helmets? So we did grab some helmets, but actually you do not have to wear helmets because this car is fully street legal.
As you can even see on the rear tags over here.
It does have rear tags.
It says custom vehicle. Now that's pretty neat right there. And then he put Goblin. That is pretty legit right there.
Custom vehicle.
Guys, let us know if you'd like to see something like this in the channel. We would really love to get our hands on one of these and start building it from the ground up. This is a ground up type vehicle. You got to get a Cobalt SS as a donor vehicle to get the engine out of it. Either go supercharged or turbo. Depends on what we can find as a donor car. But as you can see how beautiful you can make these cars.
But I want it to be fast. I want it to be the fastest probably Goblin you can get.
I mean, if we get a Goblin, we'll probably make it
the
fastest Goblin you can get, honestly.
Exactly.
Maybe throw some drag tires on there and do some, make it a drag strip car, honestly. But this car is built for handling on the road. These guys are headed to the Dragon, and that's a very, very popular road, so I can just imagine how much handling and how much fun you're gonna have with this thing.
So let's go ahead and hop in and go for a test drive. Alrighty guys, so we made it to a gas station. Man, we had a little incident on the road because it was wet.
Yeah.
Lost control, but luckily he's got that experience where he caught it. He's got that go-kart. He's got that go-kart experience.
This car, it handles really easily. It's really nimble, really agile. So like, as soon as I felt it slide, caught it, then he was talking to me how light the car was, and as soon as I tried to correct it, it started sliding the other way. So I was like, oh, this thing is really light. So I tried to collect it even more, so I just went on the brakes.
Slammed the brakes.
I didn't want to slam him so I don't slide, so I eased on him and we stopped. Brakes are amazing.
All right, but yeah, we are running low on fuel, so we're gonna get some fuel. Highest octane is what he said, so
right,
get some 93 in it, and we're gonna probably be heading back, or maybe hit some more roads if the rain stops. Man, this thing looks like a beast, man. I can see why it's breaking so many necks on the roads.
It is a beast. So while this rain is blowing by, we're trying to wait it out, but it's not too bad. I just want to wait it out a little bit because it is kind of dangerous going down the mountain roads and stuff like that. But these tires do help a lot. They're very, very good on this car. And the car is super light, so you can't really complain about everything, but
right,
it's a beast, dude.
It is a beast.
It sucks that we can't drive it in the dry. It just absolutely sucks.
I know, dude.
It happened to rain today. I wanted to test this car to its full potential, but
we still,
right now, dude, it is amazing. The way it handles, the way it drives, the sound that you get from that rear engine or mid-engine is just amazing.
All right, guys, so we are not gonna wait it out. We are tired of waiting, so we're gonna start heading back down the mountain and just do some more cruising, I guess, back home.
So the DF kit car is gone, man. It's sad to see it go because that car was an absolute amazing car to drive. Sucks that we didn't drive it in the dry.
Man, this dude is so...
I am completely soaked because I was trying to get the footage with the GoPro, and I was just having a blast in that car. It was the most funnest car I ever driven. I don't think we should call it a car. It's like a kit car. Man, it is amazing. It looks like an F1 car, honestly.
I'd say it's a go-kart on steroids, pretty much, man. That sucker is a ripper, man. That thing was ripping.
We couldn't even go past like 3,000-4,000 RPM
because it was wet.
So guys, let us know what you think. Should we build one of these cars? This is gonna be a different build for the channel. Something unique that we can build hands-on, and an all-around unique build for our channel. So guys, that is gonna be a wrap for today's video. You know we try to bring you guys the best content, so be sure to like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more awesome stuff coming your way. And if you haven't, follow us on Instagram because you get the inside scoop there before YouTube. So stay tuned, and we'll catch you next time. Peace.